Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the GiftGo modern black entryway corner hall tree. This versatile piece is perfect for anyone looking to maximize storage in small spaces while adding a touch of style to their home. Let's dive into what makes this hall tree a must-have for your entryway, office, bedroom, or even bathroom. The GiftGo hall tree is designed with space saving in mind. Its freestanding corner shelf design provides an easy solution for creating extra storage in small spaces. Whether you have a cozy apartment or a compact office, this hall tree fits snugly in any corner, making the most of your limited space. It's practical and stylish, perfect for those who need to optimize their living area. This all-in-one functional organization unit includes a comfortable shoe bench, a spacious shoe rack, a top storage shelf, and 10 movable metal hooks. You can sit comfortably while putting on your shoes, and everything you need is within reach when you're in a hurry. Not just an entryway hall tree, this piece seamlessly blends into any hallway, office, bedroom, or bathroom, adding both utility and elegance to your space. Demonstrate the sturdy construction and easy assembly process. Durability is key with the GiftGo hall tree. Made with a premium heavy-duty iron tube frame and eco-friendly wooden chipboard, it provides a sturdy bench for adults to sit on. The anti-toppling screw ensures safe use, and adjustable foot pads make it stable on uneven ground. Assembly is a breeze. Just follow the included instructions and use the tools provided. No drilling required for the hooks. Simply hang them on the bars and you're good to go. With its vintage rustic brown and black color, the GiftGo hall tree perfectly complements your farmhouse accent furniture. Plus, with a satisfaction guarantee and responsive customer service, you can purchase with confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews. Thanks for watching.